this video, I'll show you how to view your sent friend requests and delete any that haven't been accepted. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It really supports me. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Then, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the menu opens, scroll down to the Shortcuts section and select Friends. This will take you to a list of your friends and people you may know. At the top, tap on Friend Requests to see who has requested to connect with you. To view your sent friend requests, tap the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner next to the search bar and then select View Sent Requests at the bottom. You'll now see a list of all the friend requests you've sent. To cancel any of them, simply tap Cancel next to the request you want to delete. Once you do that, it will confirm that the request has been cancelled. When you're done, just hit the home button in the bottom left to return to your Facebook feed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content.